It's time for OTV Top 10.
This is Akanksha. You're listening to OTV Top 10.
And this is Deepti Ranjan. Today is the 13th of December and here are the top news of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the Kashi Vishwanath Corridor project was a symbol of India's spiritual soul. Dedicating a newly constructed Kashi Vishwanath Dham project to the nation, the Prime Minister said that a new chapter is being written in history of Kashi Vishwanath today, as Kashi Vishwanath Dham premises is not just a grand building but a symbol of India's culture and traditions. The Prime Minister said that Kashi is a beautiful amalgam of antiquity and novel that comes alive together. He said that the glory of the past is coming alive again, showcasing India's antiquity, traditions, energy and mobility. Quoting extensively from scriptures, the Prime Minister also spoke in Bhojpuri and established a connect with the local people.
आज का भारत सिर्फ बाबा केदारनाथ मंदिर का जीर्णोद्धार ही नहीं कर रहा, बल्कि अपने दमखम पर अंतरिक्ष में भारतीयों को भेजने की तैयारी में जुटा है। आज का भारत अयोध्या में प्रभु श्री राम का मंदिर ही नहीं बना रहा, बल्कि देश के हर जिले में मेडिकल कॉलेज भी बना रहा है। आज का भारत सिर्फ बाबा विश्वनाथ धाम को भव्य रूप ही नहीं दे रहा, बल्कि गरीब के लिए करोड़ों पक्के घर भी बना रहा है। नए भारत में अपनी संस्कृति का गर्व भी है और अपने सामर्थ्य पर उतना ही भरोसा भी है।
Actor model Harnaaz Sandhu made history on Monday as she was crowned Miss Universe 2021, beating contestants from 80 countries 21 years after India last brought home the title. Only 2 Indians before Sandhu have won the title of Miss Universe, actor Sushmita Sen in 1994 and Lara Dutta in 2000. The 70th edition of the event was held in Eilat, Israel, where the 21-year-old bagged the coveted pageant. The Chandigarh-based model, who is pursuing her master's degree in public administration, was crowned by her predecessor, Andrea Mizzo of Mexico, who won the pageant in 2020.
Well, I think the biggest pressure the youth of today is facing is to believe in themselves. To know that you are unique and that's what makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourselves with others and let's talk about more important things that's happening worldwide. I think this is what you need to understand. Come out, speak for yourself because you are the leader of your life. You are the voice of your own. I believed in myself and that's why I'm standing here today. Thank you.
Health and Family Welfare Director Bijay Panikrai said that at least 41 lakh people in Odisha are yet to receive the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine. Bijay Panikrai added, saying that the vaccination coverage in Mayurbhanj, Kandhamal and Cuttack is low, as 87% beneficiaries have already taken the first dose, while rest 13% should take the vaccine immediately to help achieve December vaccination target.
आमर जहाँ टार्गेट थिला डिसेंबर शेष सुधा प्राय समस्त हिताधिकारी जे नापी योग्य अच्छा से 100% टीकाकरण। अच्छा, वर्तमान पर्यंत आमर जी लोक टीका नवा कथा तार 87% जन लोक टीका नहीं सारे फास्ट डोज आ रहा 13% लोक टीका ना बाकी अच्छा जहाँकि आमर 41 लाख। तेणु ता अनुसार आमर टीकाकरण केन्द्र बहुत आम बढ़ईचु। मु समस्त को निवेदन करी जो मैंने नहीं ना टीका अति शीघ्र आसिक टीका नहीं जातु। जदि से आमको सहयोग करेंगे ताहले आम डिसेंबर शेष सुधा आम समस्त फास्ट डोज टीकाकरण आम सारी पारू।
Congress President Sonia Gandhi slammed the government over the CBSE Class 10 English question paper and described it as extremely poor standards of education and testing. Raising this issue during the Zero Hour, she said that a shockingly regressive passage on women published in the Class 10 CBSE examination held on December 11 was derogatory and misogynistic for women. She asked the CBSE to withdraw the question and tender an apology. Quoting the text of the passage of the question paper in the House, she said that the entire passage is riddled with such condemnable ideas and the questions that follow are equally nonsensical.
Quote, wives stopped obeying their husbands and that is the main reason children and servants are indisciplined. Unquote. The entire passage is riddled with such condemnable ideas and the questions that follow are equally nonsensical.
Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik launched various development projects worth rupees 2,140 crore for his home district Ganjam. Visiting the district to launch the distribution of smart health cards to beneficiaries covered under the Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana, Patnaik inaugurated 651 projects worth rupees 570.97 crores and laid foundation for 645 projects worth rupees 1,582.94 crore. The projects are spread over various sectors including roads, bridges, drainage, education, health, livelihood, irrigation, energy, women and child development.
Heavy rainfall triggered by Cyclone Jawad has left a trail of devastation for the farming community, not only in the coastal but also the south and northern belts of the state, by damaging 1,000 hectares of crops sown across the districts. Vegetable farmers have also suffered a huge loss due to the heavy downpour, particularly in the Khalikot block of the southern district of Ganjam, which received the most rainfall. Huge swaths of farmland were inundated by the erratic rainfall, triggering the massive loss in the crop yield for the farmers in as many as 29 panchayats of the block. The farmers across the region who resorted to panic harvest after the cyclone alert fearing crop loss. Rainwater also harmed their paddy crops lying in the threshing yards since they were unable to store them in a safe place due to the shortage of facilities.
According to a new report, India will have 95 million podcast monthly active user, a 34% increase from 71 million active users in 2020. India is witnessing a steady uptick in the usage of podcast entertainment over the last few years. The popularity of smart gadgets like Amazon Echo, Apple HomePod and Google Home has made it easier to find and listen to podcasts. The total time spent in October on online entertainment was around 2,290 billion minutes. Social media takes up the most time, that is 885 billion minutes, followed by messaging, OTT videos and news aggregation and short form apps.
Globally, more than 500 million people have been pushed into extreme poverty due to high healthcare costs, according to the latest report by the World Health Organization and the World Bank. The findings contained in two contemporary reports launched as part of the Universal Health Coverage Day highlight the devastating impact of COVID-19 on people's ability to obtain healthcare and pay for it. It stated that COVID-19 pandemic is likely to halt 2 decades of global progress towards universal health coverage. In 2020, the pandemic disrupted health services and stretched countries' health systems beyond their limits as they struggled to deal with the impact of COVID-19. As a result, for example, immunization coverage dropped for the first time in 10 years and deaths from TB and malaria increased.
The Emirates Crown Prince Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum has announced that Dubai has become the world's first government to turn 100% paperless. The Crown Prince informed that the move that assisted in saving of 1.3 billion dirham and 14 million man-hours. All internal and external transaction and procedures in the government of Dubai are now 100% digital and managed from a comprehensive digital government service platform. Sheikh Hamdan said that the achievement of this target marks the beginning of a new stage in Dubai's journey to digitize life in all aspects of journey rooted in innovation, creativity and focus on the future.
It is a matter of national pride that India has achieved significant milestones in agriculture production and productivity to ensure food and nutrition security to a billion-plus population. As per the official data sheet, India has achieved food grain production of 296 million tons in 2019-20 and is to achieve 300 million ton of production during 2020 and 21. The production of fruits and vegetables has also grown at an average of 5% per annum during the period of 2014-15 to 2019-20. The availability of other nutritional food items like eggs, meat, fish and dairy items has also witnessed tremendous growth.
That's it for today. For news in detail, visit odishatv.in, Odisha's premier destination for news updates in English. This is Deepthi Ranjan signing off.